Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐵𝐞.com, and I've got another little Hijet with a jumbo cab this time. This is a bit of a Rolls Royce of K-trucks. It's high roof, longer cabin. This one's got aftermarket alloy wheels, look quite good and match the truck. And it's got front fog lights, chrome grille, all kinds of little extras which make it a bit more interesting. Jumbo cabin, you can see there with the extra windows in the back. Got the guard on the back of the cab to stop things hitting it. And the deck is in excellent condition. It's got this mat which has been protecting it. You can see that there. Underneath the cab there's a little bit of extra storage space, so you can put a long wood going in there and coming out the back. You don't lose any deck in that respect. You see, got a toolbox on the side as well, lockable toolbox. It's pretty useful possibly. Go inside the cab. You see someone's put some leather seat covers on. They look pretty good. Quite snazzy for a K-truck. The seats underneath are good though. You can see there it's not worn out or cigarette burns or anything like that in it. Seems pretty decent. Now if I just start the engine, you see there 24,000 kilometers. It's about 16,000 miles. Not very many at all. 5-speed manual. It's got high-low range there. It's also got a little aftermarket armrest. It's got an extra brake light up there. A small window you can see out. Got this shelf up the top as well. Put your stuff up there. It's pretty useful. And if I press the four-wheel drive button, you see the light comes on the dashboard. Now the four-wheel drive's engaged. It's also got a diff lock. Press this button here, put it into first gear. That lights up and the back diff is locked. So it's good off the road as well. Air conditioning and heater as well. Keep yourself cool, dry, warm, whatever you need to do. Got a little work light on the back. That's on the back tray. And some Kenwood tweeters. All very exciting. But this is quite a nice little car. Also electric windows, I should say. It's got electric windows on both sides. So that's not your usual ATV thing. Got some creature comforts as well. This one's going to be coming to the States very shortly. It is a nice little car, finished in silver, which stands it apart from some of the others. And if you're interested in this vehicle, this exact one, buying one like this, or you think you can make some money as a distributor of these trucks, contact us. Have a look on our website, 𝐸𝐴𝐬𝐵𝐞.com, 𝐸𝐴𝐬𝐵𝐞.com, and you'll see a lot of information on there about doing that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it's interesting.